Today I'm going to be reading you a story called Bear Snores On. It's written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by the person that's done the pictures is called Jane Chapman. Let's see what happens. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itsy-bitsy mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. Sweet lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. There he is. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cosy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. He's so sleepy. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. There they all are. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls and bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps and bear growls and he grumbles. You sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends, they snore on. There they are, all asleep, and Bear's wide awake. I hope you enjoyed that story.